Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by today. It's a beautiful Tuesday morning here in Utah. It's currently 4:30 in the morning. It's a Tuesday and I have a few projects going on around the state of Utah that I need to go check on today. Today is kind of a logistics day for me. We have some heavy metal getting done at the powder. We've got some heavy trucks coming in to grab it, and we need to deliver some stuff today and get a truck on the road to Arizona. So come along with me and we will travel the state of Utah together and check on a few things. Let's go. Update. We've made good time this morning. We are just going through a town in Utah called Heber City, Utah, and we're kind of driving up and over the pretty mountains this morning. We will be headed over into Park City, and then we'll be dropping down into Salt Lake City. So here's the priorities for today. I am trying to make it to Salt Lake City to our friends at the powder coater. My main priority today is to make sure that the quicksand semi gets loaded with the proper projects, proper quantities, and delivered to the proper job site. So I have a job site in Bluffdale, Utah that needs some iron delivered today, and then we're going to take the semi back to the powder coater and load up job number 2, which is going to Phoenix, Arizona. So what I'm hoping is we can front load or load the Arizona project and the Bluffdale project all on the one load, and we can just follow him out of town, help him unload at the job site, and he'll head to Arizona. And I haven't quite figured out how he's going to get unloaded yet, but I've got a few hours to figure that out. So. All right, we made her to Salt Lake City just in time for morning traffic. Shouldn't be allowed to drive in this stuff, but here we are. Just about to arrive at the powder coaters. We'll give you an update once we get there. We'll see if our semi truck's arrived yet. First loss of the day, didn't bring gloves, so I'm gonna learn a little bit on that one. 30 degrees, it's getting a little warmer. Let's see what happens. All right, everything's going good. We've got quicksand truck arrived here early and on time, like always. It's pretty congested in here, so you got in here before all the traffic did. So here's what we're hauling today. We've got a couple different sets of steel canopies that are going to 2 different jobs. We've got 3 different sizes going in 2 different locations. So the reason why I'm here is to make sure that every canopy arrives where it needs to. There's some of our trash bin enclosure gates that's going to Arizona, and then we have some of our new sizes of canopies coming out now. So my main priority today is making sure that the right quantities of hardware matches the quantity of canopies going to the right location. Let's see how we do. Looks like it's all gonna go just fine. My plan for unloading in Arizona kind of fell through, so the team's helping me get some flights and some travel arrangements. I'm gonna try to beat this truck to Arizona, rent a forklift, and be there ready to unload him. So it's gonna be kind of a crazy 24 hours, but we're gonna get a lot done really fast, which is momentum, which is good. So here we go. We're just getting everything strapped down here, working on getting all the straps tight. It's kind of been a long process, just getting them all kind of tight. Been rolling up these little soft tacos out of padding that we were putting in between the two canopies, so when we suck them all tight they don't rub together. So we're just tightening all that down and then we'll hit the road. Update, we got load number 1 loaded. Got him on the road here in this crazy traffic, so that's good. I'm gonna go meet him at the job site. We'll see you there. All right, we arrived to our first job site. Just waiting on the truck driver to get here, kind of seeing where the equipment's at and how I can get him in here. Looks like we're in pretty good shape. I wanted to show y'all what these canopies look like when they're done. This is what we've got going on here. We've got those as far as the eye can see on this job site. So that's what we're working on here. That's what we're delivering today. Good. We got all of the canopies unloaded on job site number 1, and now we're headed back to the powder coater to load up semi-load number 2, get him headed to Arizona this afternoon. So I'll let you know what it looks like when we get there. We have got truck load number 2 padded, loaded, and strapped. It took forever, but I don't think we could have done it any faster. It's just a lot of straps and a lot of pieces. But all good. So we're gonna get him on the road to Arizona and get me back on the road to my next location. So stay tuned. Alrighty, getting us some more fuel. We outworked our fuel tank today and the daylight, I guess. Can't get it all done in one day. We'll have to try again tomorrow. Alright, update. Just wanted to let everybody know, made it home safe. It's 10 o'clock at night, so started my day off at 4 o'clock this morning to 10 o'clock tonight, however many hours that is. I'm gonna go cuddle the family for a couple hours, get some sleep. Have a good night.